Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. Well, the white queen is pinned by the black queen, but still white can win this. And white has only a single way to win this. Guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the thing is, the queen is pinned, as you can see, and has no moves at all. The queen can play here, defended by the rook, but that doesn't do anything. Black would just trade a queen, and this is a draw, right? So we can actually take the queen, but black would just take back, and once again this is a draw. So here the queen is not mobile, right? The queen cannot move whatever it wants, right? So currently we can't make a move with a queen, so the decisive move must start with a rook, and that is where rook to e3 check comes in. So here the king has only one move to play to, right? Black has only one legal move to play to, and that is king to f8. So in this position again, the queen is pinned, so we have to move the rook, and we have to move the rook to f3. So the idea is we are unpinning the queen. So on the next move, the queen can move away, right? The queen can just move away and start giving checks. So in this position, black has got two legal moves to play to e8 and to play to g8. So if black plays to e8, that is a bad move for black, because we are going to play queen to f7, and that is straight checkmate. So black must play to g8. So what do you think? What do you play in this position? Well, the queen is unpinned, so we can just play the move queen to f7 check. So in this position, black has got only one move, which is h8. So now, how do you checkmate, right? The rook is pinned. You can't make a move with the rook because it's pinned. So how do you just deliver the checkmate? How do you get the win? So it's pinned, but you can unpin the rook, right? You can't play and unpin the rook like the queen. So we just unpinned the queen and make pin the rook, and now we play queen to h5. So here black has got two moves. Black has to play to the g file. The move doesn't matter, black can play anywhere, but that doesn't make any difference. We are going to play queen to g4, and like I said, it doesn't matter where black moves. We just zigzag down, and now if you had a chance to see that, we unpin the rook, right? So on the next move, the rook would just play to the h file and deliver this beautiful ladder checkmate. So this is the solution. For a recap purpose, this is one of the most fascinating chess puzzle I have ever seen, guys. And for a recap, this is the first position, and the queen is pinned, right? So we have to unpin the queen. So how do we do that? We play rook to c3 check, and the king moves to f8. We play rook to f3 check, and now the queen can't go back because of the checkmate on f7 by the queen. So the king, I mean, would move to the corner direction, right, to g8. So we give a check, and now we can play to h6, h5 I mean. So the king is forced to the g file. We play queen to h4. We can play rook to here in this position. We may just play rook to h3, but not for now it's pinned, right? We can't do that. So for that reason we are going to play queen to h3 and queen to g2, unpinning the rook and winning the game like this. So this is the puzzle and the solution, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to get a new one. I will see you next video. Bye.